In 2032, an artificial intelligence replaced a man at work in just 30 seconds. Everyone believed his life was over. But what happened next changed everything. Ethan was an average American. He woke up at 6 a.m. every morning, drank cheap coffee, and worked at a customer support company in Texas. One morning, his manager called everyone into a meeting and said just one sentence: "We're replacing 70% of the staff with AI." The room went silent. Ethan's computer screen went dark. His job was gone. No warning, no second chance. That night, Ethan sat alone in his small apartment. Unpaid bills on the table, rent overdue, phone notifications ignored. He whispered softly, "I've been replaced by a machine." For weeks, he hated AI. He blamed technology for everything. But one night, something changed. Out of curiosity, he opened his laptop and typed one simple question: how does AI actually work? That question changed his future. Ethan didn't learn coding. He didn't study complex math. He learned simple things: how AI writes content, how AI edits videos, how AI helps businesses grow faster. Every night, 2 hours, no excuses. 6 months later, Ethan wasn't applying for jobs anymore. Companies were contacting him. He helped businesses use AI, not to replace people, but to work smarter. 1 year later, the same company that fired him called him back. This time as a consultant. Higher pay, remote work, freedom. Ethan smiled. AI didn't destroy his life. It forced him to evolve. AI will not replace humans. But humans who refuse to learn will be replaced by humans who use AI. The future isn't coming. It's already here.